Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to cash out on Phantom Wallet. So the very first thing that you're going to be doing here is head over to your Phantom Wallet application. Once you do that, you can see it is now launching and now we are authenticating. Once we are inside our application, you need to do is simply head over to the coin that you want to simply cash out. Like for example, if you want to cash out on Phantom Wallet for Solana, you can simply send it to your another account. So click on the send and then you're going to be simply choosing Solana from here, enter in here the username, and then it is going to be transferred or cashed out from your Phantom Wallet to another exchange or maybe your bank account. So it is actually pretty simple. You can also swap your crypto coins to any other token that you want. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.